In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder clips in CapCut PC. If you've got a timeline full of footage and something needs to move up, slide back, or swap places with another shot, this walkthrough will show you the cleanest way to do it without breaking your edit. Before you shuffle anything, take a second to confirm CapCut's automatic alignment is helping you, not fighting you. Look at the shortcut toolbar above your timeline tracks and make sure the main track magnet icon, the one that looks like two blue glowing magnets, is turned on. When this magnet is active, clips snap neatly to the edges of other clips, keeping your edit tight and preventing accidental gaps or overlaps. If the icon isn't lit, click it to enable snapping so your timeline stays tidy as you move things around. Now, locate the video clip you want to reposition on your main track. Click and hold directly on that clip, then drag it horizontally to the left or right along the same track. As you glide over other clips, watch for the thin vertical indicator line that appears. This line shows the exact spot where your clip will land. When the line is in the right place, simply release your mouse. CapCut will instantly insert your clip there, and the surrounding clips will adjust accordingly. You'll notice that nothing gets overwritten. You're just changing the order, and all durations remain intact. For best results, keep your drag within the main track if you want a simple swap or reorder. That ensures you're replacing position rather than accidentally stacking the clip onto another layer. If your project includes text boxes, graphic overlays, or other elements on upper tracks, you can realign them just as easily. Click and slide those items left or right so they match the new timing of your base footage. As you move them, you'll see snap lines that help you lock starts and ends precisely to a clip boundary or marker. That visual guide keeps titles, lower thirds, and effects in sync after the rearrangement, so everything feels polished and intentional. That's all there is to it. Enable snapping with the main track magnet, drag and drop your clip to the new spot while watching the vertical insert line, then nudge any overlays to match. With these simple drag and drop mechanics, reordering a sequence becomes quick, accurate, and stress-free.